Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Driftwood Voyager. To acquire this special item, you must embark on the Whispering Tides quest line. This quest is the sole method for obtaining the Voyager, ensuring its rarity and value. You'll need to be at least level 30 to begin this epic journey, so prepare your character for the challenges ahead. It's a rewarding experience that offers a truly unique reward. The Whispering Tides quest begins by speaking with Captain Finn. You can find him near the docks in the sunken harbor, a bustling port city. He will provide the initial tasks, guiding you through the first of 3 stages. Each stage presents unique challenges, from gathering rare materials to defeating formidable foes. Be sure to read his dialogue carefully for important clues. To progress, you'll need to gather 15 ancient barnacles, which drop from specific deep-sea creatures in the coral reefs. Next, prepare for a challenging encounter with the Kraken's Shadow, located deep within the abyssal trench. This boss fight requires strategic planning and a strong party. Once both tasks are complete, return to Captain Finn to claim your well-deserved Driftwood Voyager. Upon completing the final quest objective, Captain Finn will bestow upon you the magnificent Driftwood Voyager. This item not only boasts impressive stat bonuses, enhancing your character's abilities, but also serves as a prestigious cosmetic piece. It's a testament to your dedication and skill, a truly unique reward for those who brave the Whispering Tides. Congratulations on your achievement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.